So our company, we're currently working for Northern Aromatics. We've been into the manufacturing of fragrances for more than 53 years now. We do fragrances for a lot of brands. We do it for fine fragrances, personal care, hair care products, and we've been into the industry for a while and really growing on the same.
Currently we are doing fine fragrance, our happening category. After fine fragrance there is a air care category which are we are selling the most, and now the new category evolving nowadays, it is called space scenting, and we start manufacturing fragrance for space scenting, which is very happening category nowadays.
We participate in CMPL every year, and it has been a brilliant response every time. I think the marketing that you do as a company in terms of inviting the clients and the reach that you have has been absolutely great. And I think we're very lucky to be a part of this journey with CMPL that we do every year. And I think there's no more expectations now because you fulfilled all of them. So
Moreover, we get lot of customer under one roof, which is very good. Otherwise, it is very difficult to visit all the potential customer. But this place, you get all the customer, your current customer and new customer, in under one roof, which is very good for this event. Customer response we are getting every year. It is going bigger and bigger every year. So that is the, I think, happening point for this CMPL. For visiting every year, we are visiting for this. I think opportunity to meet lot of customer.
just excellent, absolutely. In terms of marketing, in terms of clientele response, in terms of the venue that you choose, the Geo Center itself, just excellent for everything. I think the first thought itself when you enter the kind of marketing that you've done for all the brands outside and for the companies that are participating, I think that's a job really well done because it helps us to grow in the business that we are currently doing. It gives them more exposure to the stall clients who are exhibiting over here. So I think the first response when you enter, the way you've decorated it and everything is just perfect.
My say when I entered in the morning, so I said, "Wow, we are again in front of gate," which is wonderful experience. My when you enter the gate, we are the first one which every customer saw our company. That is the good moment for us, wow moment for us.